Hi, today I'm using Galaxy A54 5G and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and tap to the sounds and vibration. Here we'll see the volume section, and just to mute the ringtone we should slide to the left side this volume panel with our finger. Also we can make it by the second way with the help of the volume button. So just press up or down volume button, click to these three dots, and you'll see here the ringtone volume. So just to mute ringtone we should slide to the down this volume panel. Also we can make it by the third way, just by press to the down volume panel, so we can mute the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.